Hi, I'm Vincent, and in this video, I'm going to show you step by step how you can start sending LinkedIn messages and cold emails to your leads using the tool Dripify. So you will see how to connect your LinkedIn and email accounts, how to find and import leads in Dripify, and so for that, I will take a real example where I show you how to find leads on LinkedIn Sales Navigator, then how to create your very first outreach campaign, and finally, how to reply to your leads directly in Dripify. So basically, if you follow this video, you will be able to send LinkedIn messages and cold emails, and I'm sure it will help you to generate leads for your business. So let's start. Alright, so to start this video, we need to create a free account on Dripify. And so if you want to do that, you just need to click the first link in the description. I just want to let you know that if you use the link in the description, you will get an extended free trial and you support my work. So once you click the link in the description, you will be on this page. And now all you need to do is to click here on Start for Free. Then here you can create your free account. And in my case, I will sign up with Google. Now to connect your LinkedIn account, you need to enter your LinkedIn email and LinkedIn password. Then I click on sign in. All right, so now to connect my LinkedIn account to Dripify, I've just received a code from LinkedIn on my phone. So I type the code and then I click on submit. All right, so once you've connected your LinkedIn account to Dripify, you will be redirected to your Dripify account. Here on the left, you have all the features that you can use on Dripify. So here you have the dashboard. Here you have your campaigns. So this is where you can see and manage your outreach campaigns. Here you have inbox. So this is where you can see and reply to your leads. Here you have your list of leads. Team, if you want to connect multiple LinkedIn accounts to Dripify. And finally, you have your settings here. So what might be interesting is to go here in working hours and here remove Saturday and Sunday because you don't want to send LinkedIn messages and cold emails during these days. And then don't forget to click on save. Now, the first thing I recommend to do is to connect an email account if you want to send cold emails. So if you want to do that, you just need to click here. Then you click on my account. And here you see that my LinkedIn account is connected. So here you see your current LinkedIn account, Vincent. And now if you want to connect an email account, you just need to click here on connect email. And here you can choose how you want to connect your email account. So if you have a Google account, you use Gmail, and Microsoft, you use this one. So in my case, I want to use a Google account. So I click on Gmail. And now you need to select the account you want to use to send cold emails. So in my case, this one, I check this box and then continue. And now you see here that I have one email account connected to Dripify. All right, so now that we've connected a LinkedIn account and an email account, it's time to create a first campaign. So for that, we need to go here in campaigns, then create campaign. And now the first thing we need to do is to add some leads. And for this tutorial, I want to show you how to find and export leads from LinkedIn Sales Navigator and import this list of leads directly in Dripify. So I click on Add Leads. Now you see on this screen that you have the choice, but for this tutorial, I want to use LinkedIn Sales Navigator because it's the best way to find decision makers. So it's basically a LinkedIn paid plan. And now let's take a real example and let's say that we want to target people who are head of sales. So for that, I want to use the filter current job title. Then I type head of sales within quotes because it gives me better results. Then I don't click here on include, but instead I press enter. Then let's say that we want to target small and medium businesses. So here, company headcount, let's say between 51 to 200 people. And finally, I want to target people based in San Francisco. So San Francisco Bay Area, perfect. And now you see that with these three filters, I have almost 200 results, which is perfect to start. So here, if we check our results, we have people who are head of sales in the US, head of sales, head of sales, head of sales. So that's perfect. And now, once you are happy with your search and you want to export these people and get their emails, so unfortunately, you can't do that natively with LinkedIn Sales Navigator. And that's why you need to use a third-party tool like Give Me Leads to have a button like this one, Extract Leads. So if you want to export your leads in just one click, you can go on givemeleads.io or you have a link in the description. Then you click here on Start for Free. Here you can create a free account. And now if you want to have a button like this one, Extract Leads on LinkedIn Sales Navigator, you need to install the Give Me Leads Chrome extension. So for that, very easy, you click on Add to Chrome and then Add Extension. Once you've installed the Chrome extension, you will see this button on Sales Navigator, Extract Leads. And then once you want to export these people from LinkedIn Sales Navigator and get their emails, all you need to do is to click here on Extract Leads. Now here you can give the number of leads you want to export. So let's say for this tutorial, 100. Here just below, you can say that you want the emails or not of your leads. So for this tutorial, let's say that we want the emails. And finally, we click on Export Leads. And now you see my export is currently running. I just want to rename my export. So I target people who are head of sales, SMBs in San Francisco. Then I press Enter. And now I just need to wait a little bit. All right, so as you can see, my export is done. And now all I need to do is to click here on Download CSV. So here is my list of leads. And if I scroll, you see that I have 100 leads, which is perfect. Now on top, you have all the informations you need to reach out to your leads. So you have the first name, last name, LinkedIn URL. So perfect if you want to send LinkedIn messages. You have the emails of your leads. So same, perfect if you want to send cold emails. You have the job title, location, and actually you have much more informations. For example, you have the company name, company website. So it might be useful if you want to personalize your messages using AI, company location, company industry, and so on. So when you export your leads with Give Me Leads, we do two things. First, we make sure that the data is clean. So for the first name, last name, and company name, you don't have any problems with capital letters or with people with the rocket emoji in the first name. So you don't have Sam with a rocket emoji like this, but instead you have a clean data like this. So basically with this feature, you don't need to waste your time to manually clean the data. And now the second thing we do is to check if every single lead perfectly matches all your filters. So that's why on the left, you see here two columns. So you have matches filters and invalid reason. So when it's true here, it means that the lead perfectly matches all your filters. So if we check, for example, here, we have here people who are head of sales, which is perfect. But now if I scroll, you will see some people with false. And here you have the reason. So here, for example, we have wrong company size. And here we have wrong job title. And if we check the job title, we have Director Sales Development, Business Head Sales and Recruitment. And here you see Enterprise Sales and GTM Leader. So basically, these people are not exactly head of sales. And that's why what you can do is to decide to keep some leads if they are still relevant, or if you want to be 100% sure to reach out to people who are exactly head of sales, you can just remove all of them. And by doing that, you only reach out to interesting people. And now that we have a list of leads like this one, what we need to do is to import it directly in Dripify. So for that, we need to go back on Dripify. Here we click on Upload CSV file. And now I just need to click here and select the list of leads on my computer. I've just uploaded my list of leads. Then I click on Next. Now here you can choose some options for your lead list, but I don't care, so I click on Next. And now I need to give a name for my list. So I target people who are head of sales, SMBs, and these people are in San Francisco. Then I click on Create a List. And now you see my list of leads from this search from LinkedIn Sales Navigator. Then I click on Next. Now here on this page, you can select a sequence template, or if you want to make something custom, you just need to click here on Custom Campaign. For this tutorial, I want to make something very simple, so I will use only LinkedIn. But if you want to do multi-channel outreach, so sending LinkedIn messages and cold emails in the same sequence, you need to have LinkedIn and email. And if you want to have a preview, you just need to click here. And here you see that we send a connection request on LinkedIn, and then we send 3 messages. So that's perfect to start. So select template. Okay, got it. And now what we need to do is to create our sequence. So for that, let's click on the first message. We remove everything. Then if you want to say hi first name, so you want to use the variable first name, you just need to click here. So hi first name, and then you can write your message. So in my case, let's say that I want to promote my SaaS Give Meads. I want to ask, do you use LinkedIn Sales Navigator to build your lead list? Now, if you want to have a preview, you just need to click here. And here you see, hi Bruce, do you use LinkedIn Sales Navigator to build your lead list? But here you see that the variable first name works well. So that's perfect. Now I click on Save. And now here I can write my follow-up. So let's remove this. And here let's say quick follow-up. Now between my first message and my first follow-up, I don't want to wait 3 days, but instead I want to wait 2 days. And finally, I don't want to have a second follow-up. So for that, I click here. And now you see that my sequence is very simple. I send a connection request, then I send a first message and a follow-up. And that's all basically. And if you want to do something custom, you just need to click here on plus. And here you can write what you want. So for example, you can say send email, add action. So here you see if email available, we send an email. And if we don't have an email, it's the end of the sequence. And here you can write your email. And this time you need to write a subject. So let's say find leads. And here you can write your email. So hi first name, like this. Do you use LinkedIn Sales Navigator to build your lead list? Like this, I click on save and then I click on end. Now, once you're happy with the sequence, you just need to scroll, you click on next. And now what we need to do is to give a name for our campaign. So head of sales, SMBs, San Francisco. And then we click on save and launch. Now, this time when you go in campaigns, you will see your new campaign. And if you click on it, what you can do is to add some leads. So for that, you click on this button, add leads. And if you want to modify a message, you click here in sequence. And here you can modify, for example, your first message. Once you start sending LinkedIn messages or cold emails, you just need to wait a few hours and then you will get your first replies. And now I want to show you how to handle your replies directly in Dripify. So for that, we need to go back on my computer. Then on the left, you have the feature called Inbox. So you click on it and here you will get the replies from your LinkedIn account or email account. And what's very interesting is that if you click on a lead, you will get all your conversation. So here, for example, we have, "Hi Gregor, do you use LinkedIn Sales Navigator to build your lead list?" The answer from the lead is yes. And now what you can do is to reply to the lead directly in Dripify. So by doing that, at least you don't waste your time to go on LinkedIn. So let's say you can go on givemeleads.io. Then we click on send. And now this message will be sent directly on LinkedIn. Now, quick tip if you want to manage properly all your replies. So I recommend you to tag the leads based on their status. So for that, you go here and you click on add tag. And here you see that you have the choice. For example, not interested, interested, meeting booked, competitor, partner. But here, for example, when someone is interested, like this example, you select high priority and then you click on save. And here you see the tag high priority for this lead. So you see by tagging your leads based on their status, it's more easy to focus on the leads who are very interested by your product or your service. So this is exactly the process you can follow to start sending LinkedIn messages and cold emails to your leads using the tool Dripify. Now, if you want to try Give Me Leads to be able to export your leads from LinkedIn Sales Navigator, you can go on givemeleads.io or you have the link in the description. And if you want to try Dripify for free and get an extended free trial, you just need to click the first link in the description. And finally, if you struggle to identify decision makers on LinkedIn Sales Navigator, I've made a complete tutorial on that. So if you want to see this video, you can click somewhere on the screen. It was Vincent. I wish you a nice day and I see you in the next video. Bye bye.